Little Liam's Scientific Adventures, The Greatest Discovery. Once upon a time, in a cozy little town, there lived a bright and curious young boy named Liam. He had a wild imagination and an insatiable thirst for knowledge. His favorite thing to do was to conduct scientific experiments, always seeking to uncover the mysteries of the world around him. Liam lived with his loving and supportive family, consisting of his mother, father, older sister Emily, and his younger brother Jake. Liam's parents encouraged him to explore and learn as much as he could. His mother, a kind and gentle woman, taught him about the beauty of nature and the importance of caring for the environment. His father, a wise and patient man, shared his passion for mathematics and engineering, helping Liam develop his problem-solving skills. Emily, a talented artist, often accompanied Liam on his scientific adventures, sketching their findings and helping Liam document his experiments. Jake, the youngest, was always eager to assist in any way he could, even if it was just by holding a magnifying glass or fetching a book from the shelf. Together, the family spent countless hours exploring the world around them, learning and growing as they uncovered new secrets and made exciting discoveries. They visited local museums, nature reserves, and science fairs, always seeking new opportunities to expand their knowledge and nurture their curiosity. One day, Liam decided that he wanted to become an independent scientist, conducting his own experiments and making his own discoveries. He imagined himself as a famous researcher, traveling the world and sharing his findings with everyone. Excited by this idea, Liam began planning his first big solo project, determined to prove that he could succeed on his own. He started by transforming his bedroom into a makeshift laboratory, complete with test tubes, beakers, and a microscope. Liam spent hours poring over books, learning about chemistry, physics, and biology. He practiced conducting experiments, mixing chemicals, and observing microscopic organisms under his microscope. As his passion grew, he developed a list of scientific questions he wanted to explore and began to design experiments to answer them. Liam's family watched his progress with pride, but they couldn't help but feel a little sad. They missed their fun, collaborative adventures with Liam, and they hoped that he would eventually realize how much they enjoyed learning and exploring together. As Liam delved deeper into his scientific pursuits, his family tried to support him, but they also encouraged him to remember the importance of balance and the value of teamwork. As the days turned into weeks, Liam became more and more consumed by his quest for scientific knowledge. He spent long hours in his laboratory, often forgetting to eat, sleep, or even take breaks. His family began to worry about his health and well-being, but Liam was too determined to notice their concern. One day, while conducting an experiment on the growth of crystals, Liam stumbled upon a unique chemical reaction that caused the crystals to change color. Fascinated by this discovery, he decided to explore the phenomenon further, hoping to uncover the secret behind the color-changing crystals. As Liam worked tirelessly on his project, his family noticed that he was becoming increasingly isolated and withdrawn. They tried to engage him in conversation, invite him to join them for family outings, and even offer their assistance with his experiments, but Liam was determined to make this discovery on his own. Feeling overwhelmed and exhausted, Liam's performance in school began to suffer. His grades slipped, and he found it difficult to concentrate in class. His teachers grew concerned, and they reached out to Liam's parents to discuss their worries. Together, they devised a plan to help Liam find a healthier balance between his scientific pursuits and the rest of his life. Liam's parents sat down with him and expressed their concerns about his well-being. They explained that while they were proud of his passion for science, they wanted him to remember the importance of taking care of himself and maintaining a balance between his work and his personal life. They also reminded him that his family was always there to support him and that they missed the fun times they used to share together. Taking his parents' words to heart, Liam realized that he had become so focused on his scientific discoveries that he had neglected his family, his friends, and even his own health. He decided to make a change and work towards finding a balance between his love for science and his personal life. Liam began by setting aside specific times each day to spend with his family, engaging in activities they all enjoyed, like playing board games, going for walks, or cooking dinner together. He also made an effort to reconnect with his friends, joining them for playdates and birthday parties. Slowly but surely, Liam started to feel more connected to those around him and found that he was able to enjoy his scientific pursuits even more because he was no longer isolating himself. As Liam worked on his color-changing crystal experiment, he found that including his family in the process made it even more enjoyable. His mother shared her knowledge of chemistry, helping Liam understand the chemical reactions that were causing the crystals to change color. His father assisted with designing a controlled environment for the crystals to grow, ensuring that the experiment produced consistent results. Emily used her artistic skills to create detailed illustrations of the crystals, capturing their beauty and intricacy. Even Jake played a role, helping to measure and mix the solutions that were needed for the experiment. With his family's help, Liam was able to make a groundbreaking discovery about the color-changing crystals. He found that the unique chemical reaction he had observed was due to the presence of a previously unknown compound, which he named liamite in honor of his own name. Excited by his discovery, Liam decided to present his findings at the local science fair with his family by his side. At the science fair, Liam's project was met with great enthusiasm and admiration. The judges were impressed by his innovative research and the depth of his understanding of the subject. They awarded him first prize, recognizing his dedication and hard work. Liam was overjoyed, but he knew that he couldn't have done it without the support of his family. As Liam continued to pursue his passion for science, he made a point to always involve his family in his projects and to maintain a healthy balance between his work and his personal life. He discovered that the greatest discovery of all was not a groundbreaking scientific breakthrough but rather the love, support, and teamwork of his family. Together, Liam and his family embarked on many more scientific adventures, exploring new fields of research and uncovering the mysteries of the world around them. Each new discovery brought them closer together, strengthening their bond and reinforcing the importance of collaboration and balance in their lives. During their adventures, Liam and his family encountered a wide variety of scientific phenomena. They marveled at the beauty of the aurora borealis, observed the behavior of different animal species, and even conducted experiments on the effects of gravity. Each experience was a learning opportunity, and the family grew stronger and more connected with each new discovery. One of their most memorable trips took them to the Amazon rainforest, where they had the chance to study the diverse flora and fauna. Liam was fascinated by the unique adaptations of the plants and animals, and his family enjoyed learning about the complex ecosystems that supported such a rich array of life. As they explored the rainforest, they encountered challenges such as navigating through dense vegetation and avoiding potentially dangerous creatures. However, they also discovered the wonders of the rainforest, like the vibrant colors of the poison dart frogs, the melodic songs of the birds, and the intricate structures of the insects' nests. As they delved deeper into their studies, Liam and his family realized that the more they learned, the more questions they had and the more they wanted to explore. On another adventure, Liam and his family visited a volcano to study geology and learn about the forces that shape the Earth's surface. They donned protective gear and carefully approached the volcano, observing the molten lava and the steam rising from the ground. The heat was intense, and they could feel the power of the earth beneath their feet. They collected samples of volcanic rock and ash, which they later analyzed in their home laboratory. Through these experiences, Liam learned the importance of perseverance and determination, as well as the value of teamwork and collaboration. He also discovered that the true joy of scientific exploration was not just in making groundbreaking discoveries but in sharing those discoveries with his loved ones. As the years passed, Liam's love for science never wavered, and his family continued to support and nurture his passion. They traveled to far-off lands, explored the depths of the ocean, and even journeyed into space, always seeking new knowledge and understanding. Along the way, they met other scientists, made new friends, and learned valuable lessons about themselves and the world around them. Liam's scientific adventures were not always easy, and they often faced obstacles and setbacks. But with the love and support of his family, Liam was able to overcome those challenges and continue his pursuit of knowledge. As they faced each new challenge together, their bond grew stronger, and they became a true team, united by their love of science and their commitment to each other. And so, little Liam's scientific adventures continued, filled with laughter, learning, and love. He grew up to become a well-respected scientist in his community, always remembering the invaluable lessons he had learned from his family. The love and support they had shown him throughout his life remained his greatest source of inspiration and motivation, driving him to reach for the stars and never stop exploring. The end.